Happy Friday, everybody! Dydd Gwener hapus pawb. Croeso and welcome to our second Brynhyfryd Connected Assembly. We used to start our times by singing something. Can you remember what was it? Give you another clue. It started like this. Can you remember? That's it, it was our school prayer. Now then, we'll sing it together, but if you don't remember, or you want to spend this time doing some mindfulness, remembering happy times with friends in school, you can do that, whichever you choose to do. Let's help ourselves to get calmer and concentrate by putting our dwy lwg gyda ei gilydd a llygaid ar gau, putting our hands together and closing our eyes. A message from your teachers. Times they have been changing. We've been asked to stay indoors, and although it's safer for our health, it's less time in school, not more. So as teachers want to tell you how we've missed you every day. Our days just haven't been the same since you all went away. We miss your smiling faces each morning in our class. We miss your many questions and your jokes and all the laughs. We hope our school can soon be back to how it used to be. But until returning safely, there's one thing you can do for me. Please try your best in every way. Be kind to family too. Spend time each day in learning. Choose one activity or a few. We know that you're all wonderful at trying work we've set. You make us so proud every day, so don't give up just yet. We hope and hope and hope some more to see you very soon. A teacher's world's quite empty without children in the room. I have got a weekly workout challenge for you this week. It's something for you to do on your daily exercise. What I want you to try is to try 25 squats, 25 lunges and 25 star jumps. If you can get a little video or a photo of you doing it, then send it into school and next week we might feature you. Here's Morgan from Year 4 telling us about a little bit of his favourite learning.
Hello, my name is Morgan and I am here to tell you about my favourite learning activity for this week. It will be active learn because of how fun it is to do the math sheets and the reading.
Our Key Stage 2 classes all have active learn accounts, but why is it you like it so much, Morgan?
Because they're fun to do and I love how you can spend your coins on rewards.
And do you have a favourite thing to do on Active Learn?
My favourite learning activity is on Active Learn maths and reading because I can't decide.
Right, well, while I walk all the way over from our east site to our west site, I'm going to tell you about some of the birthdays that we've had this week. So, we have had a staff birthday, so happy birthday, Brynhyfryd hapus to Miss Jamal. Children have had birthdays this week as well, so we have had in Year 3 Mrs Murray's class, Phoebe, it was her birthday on Sunday. In Year 5 in Mrs Hayes' class, Lily Ray has had a birthday, but also Ryan has had his birthday too. In Year 4, Mrs Jones' class, Charlie H. It's been your birthday, so Brynhyfryd hapus to you. And in nursery, the afternoon session, Olivia M. has had her birthday too. So let's give them all a big happy birthday song from us and sing together Brynhyfryd hapus.